गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. आपण आज चेंजिंग द क्लास ऑफ वर्ड्स हा एखादा शब्द आहे त्याचा जो क्लास आहे तो कसा बदलतो. उदाहरणार्थ आता पहिल्यांदा आपण वर्ब पाहिले, वर्ब त्यानंतर नाउन, त्यानंतर ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आणि आपण ॲडव्हर्ब असे चार पाहूया. अचीव, अचीव हा आहे वर्ब. ॲक्सेप्ट, आय आय ॲक्सेप्ट युअर प्रपोजल. आय ॲक्सेप्ट स्वीकृती. आय ॲक्सेप्ट, ॲक्सेप्ट या ठिकाणी वर्बचं काम करतो. ॲक्सेप्ट, आय ॲक्सेप्ट. देन ॲक्सेप्टन्स हे काय आहे? नाऊन आहे. ॲक्सेप्टेबल ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आहे. दिस इज ॲक्सेप्टेबल प्रपोजल. दिस इज ॲक्सेप्टेबल प्रपोजल. प्रपोजल बद्दल माहिती जास्त सांगतोय. ॲक्सेप्टेबल म्हणजे ॲडजेक्टिव्ह हा असा शब्द असतो की तो जो काही नाऊन आहे त्याच्याबद्दल पुन्हा जास्त माहिती सांगतो. उदाहरणार्थ शी इज अ ब्युटिफुल गर्ल. गर्ल बद्दल हे जे काही नाऊन आहे त्याच्याबद्दल पुन्हा जास्त माहिती सांगणारा जो शब्द असतो त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? ॲडजेक्टिव्ह. नामाबद्दल विशेष माहिती सांगणाऱ्या शब्दाला विशेषण असे म्हणतात. हे आपण मराठीमध्ये याचे डेफिनेशन आहे. तर नेक्स्ट वर्ड अचीव. वर्ब अचीवमेंट. दिस इज अ बिग अचीवमेंट. दिस इज अ बिग अचीवमेंट. नाउन आहे अचीवमेंट. अचिवेबल, युअर टार्गेट इज अचिवेबल. टार्गेट बद्दल पुन्हा जास्त माहिती सांगतोय. अचिवेबल टार्गेट. टार्गेट अचिवेबल. हे काय आहे? अचिवेबल ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आहे. वर्ब घेतो मी. देन ऍक्ट, ऍक्ट ऍक्शन. नाउन ऍक्ट, ऍक्टिव्ह and actively. Active adjective. Then act, activeness, active. Add, addition, additional adjective. Additional exam. एक्झाम बद्दल विशेष माहिती सांगते म्हणून ह्या ॲडजेक्टिव्ह. ॲडिशन, ॲडिशन. यू हॅव टू ब्रिंग वन ॲडिशन इन टू इट. ॲडिशन हे आहे नाउन. ॲडजस्ट, ॲडजस्टमेंट, ॲडजस्टेबल. MENTTION हे शब्द आल्यानंतर नाउन होत असतो. ॲडवाइज, ॲडवाइज, ॲडवाइज. आय हॅव टेकन ॲडवाइज फ्रॉम हिम. वर्ब ॲडवाइस. आय नीड अ पीस ऑफ ॲडवाइस. नाउन आहे. आय नीड अ पीस ऑफ ॲडवाइस फ्रॉम यू. मला तुमच्याकडून एक ॲडवाइस हवं. हे काय आहे? नाउन असतं. त्या ठिकाणी नाउन आहे. ॲडवाइजेबल ॲडजेक्टिव्ह. अमास, मास, मॅसिव्ह. अमेज्ड, अमेजमेंट, अमेझिंग, अमेज, अमेजमेंट, अमेझिंग. ING लागल्यानंतर देखील ॲडजेक्टिव्ह हा होत असतो. दिस इज अमेझिंग फॅक्ट. दिस इज अमेझिंग फॅक्ट. अमेझिंग फॅक्ट. फॅक्ट बद्दल पुन्हा अमेझिंग फॅक्ट. अम्यूज, अम्युजमेंट, अम्युझिंग. annoy, annoyance, annoying. Really, to know that students neglect online classes. Annoying, really. Approach, same approach. Approachable. Attend, attend the classes. Students are expected to attend the classes. Attend, verb, attention. Students must pay attention to the classes. Then attentive, adjective. I hope you got it. क्लास हा कसा चेंज होतोय हे आपण पाहतो. चेंजिंग द क्लास ऑफ वर्ड्स. अट्रॅक्ट, अट्रॅक्शन, अट्रॅक्टिव्ह. अट्रॅक्ट attractive, avoid, avoidance. You should avoid it. Avoid. You should avoid it. Verb आहे. You should avoid it. Avoidance. Avoidable. Then believe. Vishwas. Belief. Believable. Blacken. Blackness. Black. Bleed. Blood. Bloody. Boredom. Boring. This is boring movie. Boredom. Bore. It's really bored. Bother. I'm not bothered about anything. I am not bother. Bother verb आहे म्हणून am is are किंवा जे काही to be चे सहाय्यकारी नंतर येतं किंवा डायरेक्ट साध्या वर्तमान काळात येत असतं थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नसेल ही doesn't bother. He doesn't bother. They bother. He bothers. थर्ड पर्सन सिंग्युलर आहे तृतीय पुरुषी नामानंतर क्रियापदाला यस किंवा ईएस हे प्रत्यय लागत असतं साध्या वर्तमान काळात बरी बरियल बरियल ऑफ द डेड बरीड बरी केअर केअर केअरफुल सेम वर्ब आणि नाउनही सेम आहे केअर बद्दल केअरफुल केअरफुली ऍडव्हर्ब क्रिया विशेषण You should handle your mobile carefully, not careful, carefully. शेवटी येतं carefully. Challenge. To conduct online classes is a challenge in front of teachers. Basically in rural areas. Challenge. Challenge same. Challenging. Gavaskar border trophy was really challenging to Indian team in the month of January. I mean in this month. Really it is a challenging game. And India won the series. Challenging. Chase. Chase. Chasing. Chase पाठपुरावा करणे. You should chase your dream. No, you must chase your dream. स्वप्नांचा पाठपुरावा करणे चेस सेम चेसिंग cheer verb cheerfulness noun cheerful cheerfully choose choice chosen clear 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 your target must be clear target must be clear there should be clarity in your mind there should be clarity in thought clarity noun clear same same is adjective and verb it is same क्लिअर विजन पण वापर आपण कसा करतो यानुसार क्लास हा बदलतो क्लिअर विजन विजन बद्दल माहिती सांगतो या ठिकाणी क्लिअर हा जो शब्द आहे तो ऍडजेक्टिव्ह आहे देन क्लिअर इट इज वर्ब इज इट क्लिअर या ठिकाणी काय आहे हे वर्बचं काम करतं इज इट क्लिअर बट क्लिअर यू मस्ट हॅव क्लिअर विजन इन युअर माइंड या ठिकाणी क्लिअर हे ऍडजेक्टिव्ह आहे शब्द एक आहे कॉन्टेक्स्ट बदलला की त्याचे जे काही क्लास आहे तो बदलतो क्लिअरली ऍडव्हर्ब कम्फर्ट कलेक्ट I mean you should collect the ideas you should collect the ideas and convert into your dreams collect then collection I have collection of so many books in my house collection is a noun. Collective, there should be collective effort, should be collective efforts on the part of consumers to raise the voice against deceived sellers. Collective efforts, collective efforts, adjective, collectively, adverb. Comfort, comfort, it comforts. Reading Shakespeare comforts the soul, comforts the soul, comfort, same, verb and noun same. Then comfortable, fact, comfortable dream, comfortable. Children are very comfortable with their parents. Children are very comfortable with their parents. Comfortably. Just say comfortably. Complex, complexity, complexity. Then complex, same. Confuse, confusion. It seems you are confused with your problems. Confused, confusion. There should not be confusion in your mind. Confusion, confused. Consider, consideration. TION लावले की नाउन होतं. Considerable, ABLE लावल्यानंतर ते ऍडजेक्टिव्ह होत असतो. LY जनरली LY लागला की काय होतो, ऍडव्हर्ब होतो, क्रियाविशेषण होत असतं. Console, consolation, consoled. सांत्वना. One should console our friends in their difficulties. Console, सांत्वना देणे. Consolation, consoled. Continue. You must continue your journey towards success. Continue, continuity. There should be continuity in one's vision, one's target. Continuity. There should be continuity in our efforts. आपले efforts हे continue असायला हवेत. Continuity, continuous, continuous. His journey is continuous. His journey is continuous for reaching his dream. Continuous journey. Journey, continuous journey. Continuity. Craze. Then another craze. Crazy. Crazily. Create. Creation. Creative. Creativity. Create. Nirman. Create. Creation. Nirmiti. Creation. Creative. Creative person. Dot dot is a really creative artist. Dot dot XYZ is a creative artist. Nana Patekar is a creative artist. Creative artist. Create. Creation. Creative. Creatively. Credit. Same. Credit. Creditable. Creditable. Dot dot thousand is creditable amount. Creditable. Creditably. Cure. Curable. XYZ is a curable disease. Cure होऊ शकतो. Curse. Curse. Same. Cursed. Curse. कलंक. Curse. Curse. शिव्या. कर्स. कोणतरी कर्स करतो असं पण आपण म्हणतो. कर्स कोणाचा घेऊ नये. कोणाचं जे काय कर्स आठवत नाही. कर्स म्हणजे कर्स पण जनरली म्हणतो ना. कर्स डॉट डॉट यांनी कर्स केलं या व्यक्तीला, तर कर्स एखाद्या व्यक्तीच अशुभ चिंतन करून त्याला दोष देणे, कर्स करणे. डॅमेज, डॅमेज, डॅमेज. डिफन, डिफनेस, डीफ. डिसाइड, डिसिजन, डिसाइजिव्ह. डेकोरेट, decorative, decorate. Used to decorate your house. Decorate, delight, decoration. Like the decoration in your marriage ceremony. Decoration, decoration, decorative. Then delight, delight. Same. Light and delights. Light and delights. Delight, Anandi, delight. Delightful, delightfully. Demand, demand, demanding. Derive. For the fact, I have sonnet 116 is derived from William Shakespeare's collection of sonnets. Derived, घेणे. कशातून तरी पॅरेग्राफ घेणे. त्याचे संदर्भासहित स्पष्टीकरण आहे. The above line is derived from lesson ... from author's name. Derived from, derivation, derivative. Deserved, yeah, you deserve the success. Deserve the success. You deserve it. You deserve same. Deserving. Destroy. Destroy. Tsunami, earthquake destroys everything. Destroy. Destruction. Destruction. Destructive. Develop. Development. Developing. Die. Death. Dead. Death. Dead. Dead is adjective. Death, noun. Die. Cowards die many times. Cowards die many times. विलियम शेक्सपियर म्हणतो जुलियस सीझर मध्ये कावार्ड्स डाय. कावार्ड्स भित्रे डाय. कावार्ड्स डाय मेनी टाइम्स बिफोर देअर डेथ. द ब्रेव टेस्ट डेथ ॲट वन्स. जे काही ब्रेव शूर असतात ते मरणाला भीत नाहीत. डाय. कावार्ड्स डाय मेनी टाइम्स बिफोर देअर डेथ. कावार्ड्स डाय मेनी टाइम्स बिफोर देअर डेथ. डेथ इज वन वर्ब म्हणून आहे, दुसऱ्यांदा नाउन म्हणून आहे. बघा, कावर्ड्स डाय मेनी टाइम्स बिफोर देअर डेथ. डिफर, डिफरन्स, डिफरंट, डिफरंटली. डिफर. डिफर, डिफर. डिफरन्स, डिफरंट. RENT, NT नंतर ऍडजेक्टिव्ह होत असतो. NT. Disturb. It disturbs me. Speaking in while delivering lecture disturbs me. Disturb. Disturbance. You should not create any disturbances in the classroom. Disturbance. Disturbing. Disturbing idea. I am really disturbing to know the reality. Disturbing. Dust. Dust. Dusty. The roads from Shrungartadi to Guhagar is very dusty. Dusty. Dust. Dust. Educate. Educate the children. Educate. Education. Education. Educative. Educate. Education. Embrace. Embarrassment. Embracing. Empower. Empower. Right to Information Act empowers the Indian citizens. Empower. Empowers. Power. Powerful. Powerfully. Empty. Empty mind is devil's workshop. Empty verb. Empty minds is a devil's workshop. Emptiness. It seems your mind is empty. Verb. Emptiness. Empty. Empty mind. Mind is empty. So empty mind is here adjective. Empty mind is devil's workshop. Empty, verb. Then encourage, encourage, encircle, circle, circular, circulary. Encourage, encourage, courage, noun, courageous, courageously, adverb. Verb, noun, वर्ब, नाउन, ऍडजेक्टिव्ह, ऍडव्हर्ब अशा येते. पहिल्यांदा वर्ब आहे, त्यानंतर नाउन आहे, त्यानंतर त्यामध्ये ऍडजेक्टिव्ह आहे आणि नंतर ऍडव्हर्ब आहे. इंडेंजर्ड, डेंजरला इएन लावल्यानंतर इएन लावलं की वर्ब होत असतो बघा. इएन, हा हे ऑब्झर्व करा. डेंजर, डेंजरस, ROUS किंवा OUS लावलं की ऍडजेक्टिव्ह तयार होतो. LY लावलं की ऍडव्हर्ब. हे सोपं आहे. इंथुज, enthusiasm, enthusiastic. Enumerate, number, numerable. Envy, envious, enviously. Evaporate, evaporation, evaporating. Expect, expectation, expected, expectedly. Do not expect anything from anyone. Expect. Gita says expectation is bad. Expectation brings in frustration. अपेक्षा ह्या चुकीच्या आहेत. अपेक्षा केली की आपल्याला वेदना होतात. Do not expect anything. Expect, do not expect anything means respect, sympathy. Do not expect. Expectation, expected, expectedly. Explain, explanation. Please explain, explain the question. Explanation, noun. Explainable, adjective. Explore, explore, exploration, exploring. Fascinate, fascination, fascinating. Feed, food. Firm, firmness, firm, firmly. Fly, flight, flying, flying. Flying birds, flying, flying birds. Flight. I have my flight at so date. Force, force, forceful. Glorify, glory, noun. Glorious, gloriously. Glorify, glory, glorious. Nalanda and Takshashila cities were really glorious during that period. Glorious, glory, gloriously. Grow, you should grow each day. Grow, growth. It seems there is no growth in Indian economy. Growth, growing, growingly. Harm, harm, harmful, harmfully. Hate, hatred, hateful, hatefully. Heal, health, healthy. Hope, hopeful, hopefully. Identify, identification. In the identification, identify, identified. Yeah, identified. Ed. Identify, identity. Same. Identifying. Same. Imitate, imitation, imitative. Imitate, imitation. Tragedy, Aristotle defines what is tragedy. Tragedy is an imitation of an action. Imitation, anukaran, imitation of an action that is serious, having certain magnitude, embellished with each kind of artistic ornament. in the form of action and not of narrative, through pity and fear, effecting the proper purgation of emotion, that is catharsis. Okay, imitation. Tragedy, the imitation of an action. Any art is the imitation of nature. Imitation, anukaran. Imitative, imitatively. Children imitate their parents. Children imitate their parents. Imitate, anukaran. Impress, impression. Impression is the last impression. Impressive, impressive. XYZ is impressive personality. Impressive, impressively. Include, inclusion, inclusive, inclusive. Personality is very inclusive, inclusively. Indicate, indication, indicative, indicatively. Indicate, inform, information, informative. Your idea is really informative for me. Information, right to information, information, inform. You should inform in advance. You should inform in advance. You should inform, verb, inhabit, habited, inhabitant, मूळचे रहिवासी, inhabitant, injury, injurious. Tobacco is injurious to health. Injurious, injuriously, injure, inquire, inquiry, inquiring, instruct, instruction, instructive, insult, insult, insulting, insultingly, intent, intention, intent, intention. My intention was not wrong. Intention, intentional, intentionally, interfere. One should not interfere in one's business. Interfere, interference, interfering. Your behavior is interfering, interfering. Introduce. Please introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. Introduction. Give your introduction. Your introductory remark was excellent. Introductory remark. Remark. Introductory remark. Invent. Invention. Inventive. Invention of electricity. Really magic for humanity. Invention of electricity. Irritate. Irritate. Pollution in the metropolitan cities irritates the people, irritates the citizens. Irritation, irritation. Gossiping is really irritating to the colleagues. Gossiping is really irritating. Adjective, irritation. Lead, leadership, leadership, leading, leadingly, leadership. You should have leadership qualities. You have leadership qualities. Leadership, lead. You should take lead. Lead, initiative घेणे. Live, life, lively. Live, life same. Life, alive. Live, liveliness, lively. Lose, same. Lose, lost. Madden, madness, mad, madly. Migrate, migration, migrating. Modernize, आधुनिक, modernity, modernity, modern. He is modern man. She is modern woman. Modern, modernity, adunikta, modernize. He should modernize himself. He is very traditional. Modernize, verb, moisten, moisture, moistures, monotonous, monotonies, कंटाळवाणा, monotony, monotonous, monotonously, कंटाळवाणा. मूव, मूवमेंट, मूवेबल, मूविंगली. नॅरो, नॅरोनेस, नॅरो. nationalize, nationality, national, nationwide. Observe, observation, observatory. Own, ownership, own. Perform, performance, performing. His performance is excellent. Perform. Now you can perform. Permit, permission, permissible. Pursued, persuasion, persuasive. Please, pleasure. Pleasant. A pleasant fact. To listen, good news. Pleasant. Popularize, popularity, popular. Quicken, quickness, quick. Be quick. Redden, redness, red. Sudden, sadness, sad, sadly. Secure, security, secured, securely. See, seen, scenic. See, sight, seen. Speed, speed, speedy, speedily. Whiten, whiteness, white. Bad, badness, bad, badly. Thank you. Have a great time. See you.